Hey guys, this is Chris from GB Cars. Now today we're going to be looking at a product that I bought for my car. Now I've been doing some modifications to my car, and it has started with the front splitter I did in a previous video. We did the rear diffuser and we did the rear splitter. So today we're going to be moving on to something a little bit different, just to add it to the whole aesthetics of the car and how the car looks. This is basically an Underglow lighting kit that I've bought, and we're going to be installing that Underglow kit underneath the car. I've never done anything like this before, guys. This is my first time, so it's going to be a learning process for me in getting it installed. I'm going to walk you through the products. I'm going to explain to you what comes in the package and how to install it on your car, so you can do this at home if you have a free space, free time to get it done. It's very easy installation, based on the instructions, because I've never done it before. So I'm going to start and get into it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the name of the company that I purchased this product is Xprite, and on the box it says that it's a multicolored RGB wireless remote controller, preset colors and patterns, easy installation. So we're going to look to see what comes inside of the box. So the connection is laid out as we have it here. So we have the 4 LED strips. I guess one goes at the back, one at the front, and 2 at the side. Then we have some wiring. Then we have the remote that goes into the car, and then it connects to your cigarette light holder inside of the car. We also have another piece right here that we can use to connect to the battery. And it also comes with a remote control, and we also have an app, which we're going to show you afterwards how to install the app to your smartphone. And so the first color is red. We can turn up the intensity of it by pressing the positive, right? Or we can turn down the intensity. I guess once it reaches the lowest intensity, it flashes. So that's the lowest one it can go. The highest intensity is right there. Different colors. That was red, so that's green. I think that's blue. We got white, orange, yellow, it's purple. Now we can jump between colors. For 3 colors, we jump between 3 colors, so that's red, blue, and green. So if we want to jump between 7 colors, we just choose the other option. And that jumps between 7 colors. We have a fade one. We can fade between 3 colors, or we can fade between 7 colors. Alright, so that is the remote. I'm going to show you exactly how to install the app on your smartphone. Alright, installing the app is very simple. You just hold your smartphone over the remote control to scan the barcode. Once it comes up, you just tap on the app. This will bring you to your Apple Store, or if you're using an Android, it will bring you to your Google Play Store. So we see where we adjust it around, and it moves with the various colors. Red, change it to blue, purple. We have a different shade there, but still red, but classic red. So we have the preset red and we have the classic red. We have style options, and we can change the different to static blue. We have like white, and I guess the same features with the remote we have on the cell phone app that we can use to operate the LED strip. So this one is called green gradual change. We have blue, gradual change, yellow, cayenne, purple, right? And we can turn down the speed at which it changes. We can also adjust the brightness, right? All right. We have a music feature also with the lights, so depending on the rhythm mode of what the car is playing, the LED strip will jump according to that. So we have to turn on that first. We're gonna try it out. So this one is playing a Christmas Island song, Island Christmas. And you notice that the lights are jumping according to the music. Try a different one. Okay. And we have a variety of songs that are preset songs that are on the app that you can use. We also have the mic feature. You have to turn on the mic. So whatever you say, pop, 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 and the lights will move according to what you say. And we can also schedule it. So it has a schedule part that we can schedule when the light turn on from when it doesn't turn on, and we can repeat the timing. So quite a few different settings. We have the gear icon here that we can use to turn on like the shake feature and modify the pin sequence in which the lights operate. Okay, and to the top left of the app we have the device area that we can use to change the device that is operating the lights. And in the middle we have the timing for the dates in which the lights can be scheduled. So would I recommend these light strips? I've not installed them on the car yet. We're going to install them on the car. I'm going to walk you through the installation process and we'll see how it looks. So that's the next step.